Hail damaged 200 acres of greenhouses in Antalya, Turkey. On January 24th, around 5 p.m., heavy hail and rain hit the Iskele area of Beymilik district, Demre province. The D400 highway was closed to traffic due to flooding and hail resulting from heavy rain. Although vehicular traffic was stopped at 4 points along the road, many teams were dispatched to the area. Work vehicles belonging to the Antalya municipality were working to remove hail and mud deposits from the road. In an area where many drivers were stranded on the road, several vehicles were seen stuck in the mud. Agricultural areas were also affected by heavy hail and flooding. Serious damage was caused to greenhouses, especially glass ones. While shards of glass were scattered inside the greenhouses, the nylons of the plastic greenhouses were torn and her frames collapsed. Hail especially formed on plastic greenhouses. while surveys were launched in the region to assess the damage. Preliminary data indicated that 200 greenhouses were damaged, 40 of which were glass. Heavy snowfall occurred in Uludag on January 25th. Due to heavy snowfall in Uludag, the roads leading to the summit also turned white. The Bursa municipality is making intensive efforts to ensure smooth transport operations. Gendarmerie teams do not allow vehicles without chance to pass through, and teams from the Bursa municipality transport department continue to work continuously to open clean and salt roads.